the Get Up song, I'm going to teach you the steps, but when I teach it to you, I'm going to teach it to you with my back so that you can do it the correct way. So you're going to start with your right foot. So your right foot, what it's going to do, it's going to make an X in front. You're going to flap your wings like a chicken. That's 1. So I'll show you this way. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice how I do 6 again, 7, 8. So once we did that first sequence, then we're going to go to the second sequence, which is the hoe down. Okay, so with the hoe down, you're going to start with your right foot, so it's another 8 count. So we're going to go right, left, then you go 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we'll do it backwards. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you haven't quite caught on, everything's an 8 count. So when we did our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then it was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now our next 8 count, we're going to do with our right foot. So I'm going to show you backwards. So we're going to go right. We're going to step back. 1, 2, 3, and as we 3, we dip. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So now we're going to implement all 3 8 counts. Okay, so we're going to start backwards. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so same thing. 1, 2, 3, dip, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed that tutorial, that it was easy to understand, easy to follow. In the next video, we have a video of the entire Get Up song dance, and I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope you have fun.